Hi, welcome back to another episode of Spot the Knot. Are you excited to find out the correct answer for the last episode? If you've guessed C, then you are right. C is not a real egg. Based on the correct answers that I've received, most of you mentioned that egg C looks weird in terms of highlights and shading. It also amuses me to read that some of you thought that I purposely set up egg A and D as a decoy to throw you off. And by the way, egg A was placed up there to hold the plastic lid down. Here's the breakdown of how the scene was made. The newspaper underneath the eggs provided me with enough features for motion tracking. The CG egg was quite easy to replicate in 3D. But just like the previous episodes, most of the work went to matching the real objects in the scene in order to get accurate results for shadows and reflections. For compositing, the shadow that should appear on the papers were laid down first. Then, the shadows/ambient occlusion pass that goes on the surrounding eggs and plastic. And finally, the egg itself. In this episode, I want to show you this playhouse and all the little furniture in it. All of them are real, except for one. Can you spot the knot? Pick your guess out of these 5. Is it the bed, the coffee table, the tub, the kitchen cabinet, or the fridge? Please leave your answer in the comments, along with a short analysis of how you've arrived at that conclusion. And I will feature the correct answers in the next episode, together with the breakdown of how I made the scene. Of course, there will also be a new scene for you to spot the knot. So please subscribe if you want to get notified for when the next episode is uploaded. Thank you for watching, keep it real, I'll see you again in the next episode.